Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? I can see Jeremiah. Jeremiah, if you can hear me, let me know. Hey, nice. Yeah, the face looks familiar, though. I don't know if I think I've seen your face somewhere before, but it looks familiar. All right, this is the future of productivity, and my name is Akinola Muyiwa. I am the founder of 187s, and the reason why we are here today is to look at how team are collaborating more effectively and affordably. Essentially, that's what we're trying to do today. Yeah. This is the second edition of this program or this event, rather. And we hope to keep it um, on a monthly basis so that at the end of a full calendar year, we have gone through every features that we have in our collaborative suite. Yeah. And to start with, I'm gonna share my screen with you. This program is brought to you by Wanted Servers. Yeah. And I really hope you get something very good from this program today. So share my screen with you. Okay. So okay. So the future of productivity, what we're looking at today is the business email and collaborative suites. This is going to be a combination of a presentation and a demo, right? And the goal of this, again, like I mentioned earlier, is to um, show you guys how businesses are using our platform to collaborate more effectively and more affordably. Now, in the time past, yeah, one of the reasons why we built this platform is because it has saved us tons of money in renewing in SaaS subscription, like platforms like Slack, platform like Google Workspace, another platform that will require us to do our day-to-day activities and one servers here. Now, this platform that we've built for ourselves, one of the things that it does is that it brings everything that we need together in one single platform, from email to chats to calls to file sharing to document creation, everything in one secure workplace here. And it, like I said, it replaces multiple paid tools like Slack, Zoom, Google Drive, Gmail with one affordable and integrated system. Yeah. And to get started with, the first feature that we have on our business email suite is the professional email service here. So just like you do with your regular platforms like Zoho, Office 360, you get your custom domain name, like for instance, example.com, and with your example.com, you can get your email addresses like info, hello, contact at example.com, right? The same thing with our email suite as well. You get your own email address for your own company, and you get multiple email addresses for multiple domain names, right? And then the interesting thing about our own platform is that um, and our pricing model is quite different from the traditional pricing model you find on other platform. Other platform they charge you uh, per account, per user account that's created on the platform, but we don't do that. We have a unique platform where we create a bundle for you, and that bundle comes with specific numbers of accounts, email accounts that you can create, your space, your calls, and etc. All in one pricing. So you don't get to pay per user or per email address you created. No, it's all bundled together. And the professional email service comes bundled in a unified inbox platform So you can manage multiple domain names and accounts in one dashboard. You can, when you're responding to emails or composing an email, you can minimize your screen to read an email, or you can minimize your screen to probably copy something, or do something else while you're using our platform. And it also comes with a smart search filter. You can find messages, find attachments very quickly, and it is integrated into a calendar and a scheduling system as well, right? So see it as your productivity hub and not just your regular inbox, right? Now, the other part of our business email suite, the business email and collaborative suite, is the collaborative suite itself. Now, um, before, but I'll say about 3 months ago, we used Slack in our organization to manage our team and stay in the loop with what we do day-to-day activities. And then, as you all know, Slack has the freemium version and it has the premium version. The premium version comes pretty expensive because you get to pay per user as well. You get to pay for some additional thing here. But with our collaborative suite, you get something similar to Slack that comes with the Android version, Android phone, comes with an iPhone application and Windows application, and your Mac, your MacBook, and your Linux as well works across all platform, right? So it's an alternative to Slack, and it comes bundled also with our suit. Yeah. And then what you could do with the platform is you could do real-time chats with individuals or group. You could create channels, you could create private channels, public channels, you could create a general channel, right? You could create multiple workspaces just like you do in Slack as well. You could share your files, you could upload and send messages instantly on the platform. You can mention and you get notifications whenever you're being mentioned, whenever you have messages that you need to attend to. So what this does is it eliminates the need for you to have separate communication apps while keeping your data all centralized. And yes, that's the good thing about this platform. Um, your data stays on your own server. It doesn't stay on Slack server or anywhere, any other tools that you use. It stays on your own server. Your emails are on your own server. Everything is on your own server, right? That's one brilliant thing about the collaborative suite that we have. Yeah. Um, I keep going back. I think I lost my slide. Okay, so the next one is about meetings. Yeah. The collaborative suite also comes with a meeting feature, right? And with the meeting feature, you can have group meetings, audio and video. Yeah, you can have your calls, and you can invite external parties as well. So if you have someone that's not within your organization, let's say a client, for instance, you're working on a project and you want the client to stay in the loop of whatever it is you're doing, you can invite the client to join a call, whether it's audio or video, or you can invite a client to join a channel, right? And in that channel, you could have video calls, you could have chats, you could have thread, you could have like, audio calls as well, right? And the client don't need to download any application. Send the client a link, click on it, it opens up the browser, and then you have your conversation with your client, whether it's video or audio, and you can share your screen as well, right? So this is an alternative to your Google Meet, yeah, or your Zoom, everything in one platform. Yeah. So you could do HD video, voice call, built directly into the workspace, screen sharing for collaboration, training sessions, works in the browser, no external app required. Team can meet, present, and collaborate without paying for separate conference softwares. Yeah. Now, other features that are within this suite. Now, with our business email and collaborative suite, you get everything you need to work faster, communicate better, and spend less. Of course, you need to spend less and still stay productive. Now, the other features are the mobile. mobility and accessibility. It comes with mobile applications, yeah, and it's very accessible, very accessible. Now the other thing is security protocols and controls. You have different access levels that you can grant. You can grant certain persons certain roles within the control panel. Certain rules, certain individuals can be able to create email accounts or delete email accounts. Yeah, and when you're sharing files and documents, you can limit whether the person you're sharing it with can view or edit. Yeah, it has all of that inbuilt into it, and then it has the file storage and the document as well. So you could create your Word document, you could create your Excel sheet, your PowerPoint sheet, your PowerPoint document rather. You could create that. You can upload your files, picture, videos, audios, PDF documents. You could upload all that in a folder or just right there in your drive. Yeah. And last but not the least, it comes with calendar, tags, and contact. You can manage all of this within the platform. Yeah. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to share my screen and show you the platform itself, the interface, how it works, and then I'm going to do some demos with you from file creation to document creation, folder upload, and yeah. So um, I'm sharing my screen now. Okay, so give it a thumbs up if you can see my screen. Send a thumbs up. Great, 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 great. Okay, so this is what the Slack alternative looks like. Yeah, this is what the Slack alternative looks like. And it works on the browser and it also works on mobile phones from any mobile phone that you have. It works there. Yeah. Can someone please tell me if you're seeing the right screen? I'm a bit tardy with what I'm sharing. Can you see the? Can you see this? The one with the town square?
That's right.
All right. Thanks for the feedback. Just want to be sure I'm sharing the right screen with you. Okay. So this works like Slack. If you're very comfortable with Slack, it's kind of like just the same interface, yeah. And with this is one of the channels or the workspace that I created for this demo, yeah. And you can always create new channels. You can browse multiple channels that you've created. You can open a direct message. Yeah, you can create new categories as well. And then you can invite anyone to come into this. Yeah. And the town square is like the general platform where you get to send messages to every other person within the organization. Yeah. And direct messages, um, you could you could chat with anyone within the organization. Yeah. If you have people that are not within the organization, one thing you could do is to send an email. You could get the person email. Yeah. Get the person emails and invite. Alternatively, you can copy the link and then shoot a mail to the person you want to invite to come join this to come join your workspace. Once the person joins your workspace, then you can allocate the person into the whatever channel that you want to appropriate the person into. Yeah. And with the settings, just right here, with the settings right here, you can edit your notification, email notification, push notification, whatever it is, you can go into advanced settings and then do your shortcuts, right? Enable post formatting, enable join and leave messages as well. You could do all that, and then you could edit your profile as well. Yeah, you could edit your profile, change your picture, change your name, you know, and all that. You could do all that as well. It's just like the way Slack works. Now, whatever messages is being sent on this platform, if it mentions you, if you are on the go, yeah, you get notifications instantly on your phone. So that means you must download the phone on your mobile device. You get notification instantly. And like I said earlier, this comes bundled with our email service and collaborative suites. It comes bundled. You don't have to pay any other subscription aside from paying for the plan. That we have multiple plans. Just that's what you need to do. Once you pay for that, I'm going to demo for you how to create a platform like this and then invite your team member. So the other thing that I would like to demo next is the email platform itself. Yeah, the email platform. I'm going to share my screen now. Let me share my screen so the, you see that. Share this instead. I'm going to grab the desktop application and share that with you. So our email platform has the mobile application also, and it has the iPad, it has the Android tablet application as well. So with that, you could, you know, do anything you want to do on the go, read your email on the go, and you don't have to worry about, oh, I'm losing out on my emails, or I don't know if someone has sent me an email or not, and all that. No, everything is right there on the go for you to work with. And I was also going to mention that if you, by the time you're setting up this platform for the first time, that's the Slack-like platform, and that is called Mattermost, by the way. The platform that we deploy for you is called Mattermost. And if you take your time to do your research about Mattermost, you realize that it's the absolute alternative to collaborative working within any organization. Yeah, absolutely. It's effective. You could integrate some platforms with it. You could it has a web hook features as well, and with the web hook, you could automate some things within your organization. You could trigger some things within your software, and notification goes into your platform, right? Now, the other thing I also want to mention about this platform is it can take unlimited users. Yeah. So you do not have to worry yourself about if you're about to hit the limit of the numbers of people that you can invite into your organization. No, it doesn't have any limit of sorts. You can invite anybody, and then you can create multiple, excuse me, you could create multiple channels for projects. If you have multiple projects going on, create as much channels as you want to for all of your projects. So I'm going to segue a bit from my demo presentation. I just want to say, does anyone have any question for me so far? Any?
No question from my end. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, Mr. Paul. Okay. So just a quick one here. Do you use Slack at your workplace?
Not at all. Not at the
Okay.
moment. No, sir.
All right, great one. Nice one. Thank you. All right. Does anybody have any question, or do you have anything you want to add before I go to the other demo?
Please, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, go on, please.
I would like to ask, um, this new feature, is it available for existing webmail accounts? Is it available for existing subscription on your um mailing
Yes,
this thing?
it is available. It is available.
All right, thank you,
Um,
sir.
this feature is available on all. mm, it's available on all hosting accounts, whether you are hosting with whether you're on the web hosting plan or you are on the AI website builder, or you simply are using our email service only. This feature is available for you. And that also brings me to one of the reasons why we are organizing this feature of productivity events here, because we want our customers and other users to be aware of the features that are on our platform, and they take full advantage of these features, right? And use it to either save costs for themselves or deeply collaborate with our team members. Yeah, that's one of the reasons why we're doing this. All right. That was a good question. Thank you for that. Another one? Okay, so I want to stop streaming just for